Yo, can this shit focus? What's going on? All right, bet. All right, we're up and running. What's going on, boys? So we got a trade recap going on today. I'm gonna start doing trade recaps every single day on YouTube. I posted it on TikTok and Instagram, but I'm gonna start doing YouTube trade recaps every single day, win or loss, whatever it is. I'm gonna do a trade recap every single day, showing you guys my thought process through these trades, why I take them, how I take them, when I take them, everything about them. And yeah, if you guys ever have any questions, comments are right there. Drop a comment and I'll do my best to answer. Let's get straight into it. So coming into the day, I was looking at the 1 hour. We had, let me mark this out for you guys. We had this 1 hour fair value gap here, bearish fair value gap, which we failed to actually close above. So we were delivering off that 1 hour fair value gap. Then once we go into that 15-minute time frame over here, we can see that around like 8:30, we failed to take out this draw on liquidity right here, which, bro, like relative equal highs right there as well. Pretty solid draw. We should have taken it out. All that means is that we needed more liquidity. And sorry, bro, I have like heartburn. Wow. Yeah, we should have taken out that draw right there. We failed to do that, so we needed more liquidity. So what do we look for? We look for an imbalanced below. We have a 15-minute unfilled right here, and we have a 1 hour that was oh no, the 1 hour was actually filled. We tapped into it, but the 15-minute was unfilled at this point. So what was I looking for? I was looking for any opportunity to short into this 15-minute fair value gap, but I trade with time-based liquidity, like London highs, London lows, Asia highs, etc. So originally, market open was, where's market open? Right here. We opened right here, market open. So as soon as market opened, there was actually a setup that I wanted to take that I didn't take. It was this right here. So I wanted to take this short, and I wanted to target, it was like a 1-to-1, just to freaking tap the unfilled 15-minute. The reason I didn't take this trade was because we have London lows right here, and we have Asia lows right here. So in my head, I was like, all right, if I take this trade, we can definitely reverse that London or Asia without having to actually fill this imbalance. So I didn't take this trade, but I really liked it that we failed to sweep this level of liquidity here, and then we came and we engulfed the series of candles right there. That would have been a fire entry if we didn't have London and Asia lows right there. But moving into my trade, like I said, I was looking for a reaction off London and Asia. We failed to sweep London, failed to sweep Asia. And when we failed to sweep Asia, we actually created a 2-minute fair value gap right here. Yeah, we created this 2-minute fair value gap right here. We'll mark it out with a 2. Yeah, we created that 2-minute fair value gap. We tapped into it. And then if you go on the 1 minute, so if you go to the 1 minute, we rejected immediately. And off the rejection, I took an entry off that rejection candle. I placed my stops above this small ass 1 minute fair value gap that's up here. That was unmitigated. So we took that entry right there. We trailed our stops as we were moving in the trade. Once I got, where is it? Once I got this right here, we got this engulfing candle of this right here, I trailed my stops to break even. And then once I got this push down here, I immediately started trailing really tightly because, like I said, we could obviously have gone higher. Like that draw that we had above that we didn't take, it's just because we needed more liquidity. And adding on to the reason why I trailed my stops. Bro, why does this do this? Okay, here we go. Adding on to why I trailed my stops, we have a 1 hour right here inflection point. It's just a point of possible rejection, which we were in fact rejecting off of. I'm going the 5 minute. We were rejecting off that perfectly. And we also had a 5 minute that we were tapping into right here. There was a 5 minute that was untapped before. We tapped into it, and that was just grabbing more liquidity to add to the point that we were going to go higher. So I trailed my stops really tightly there. Trade closed it right there. We closed it around, I want to say, it was like 53 points, right? It was 53 points that we actually caught because we trailed really, really tightly. After there, I wanted to secure at least a 1-to-1, so that's when I started trailing. But yeah, that was the trade for the day. We were pretty bearish just because, like I said, we failed to take out this draw on liquidity, and we were delivering off the 1 hour bearish fair value gap up here. And then I just want to show you guys something else. There was a really fire setup after my shorts. Here, let's go to the 1. So right after my shorts, there was a really nice setup here. This right here would have been a fire setup. So right here, we got the inversion. I would have taken this right here. I would have taken this, and I would have targeted this high right here. That would have been a friggin' fire trade. But yeah, boys, that was the trade I took. I really fucked with the trade. I kind of just didn't like that we chopped around a lot right here. Oh, shoot. We were just chopping around a lot here. Maybe not like the trade much. So obviously, as soon as we engulfed this, I moved to break even, and then I trailed my stops as we went. But yeah, honestly, I would have probably liked to take this trade more, but I saw the opportunity right here after failing to sweep Asia and London, tapped the 2-minute, got the rejection off the 2-minute fair value gap, got my entry, and I just trailed. But yeah, 53 points, not bad, not bad. If you guys have any questions about how I trade or anything trading related, make sure to drop it in the comments, and I'll be answering everyone that I can answer. Everyone that does comment, I'll make sure to answer you guys. Also, my Discord right now, it's free, but it's closed right now. It's closed for a little bit of time. I want to build the members that are currently in there and get them to be better traders as well. But I will be dropping a free boot camp for everyone, like a free boot camp. I'm not sure when I'm going to start it. I might start it this week and start posting about it. Just dropping episodes. It's going to be like literally for the most basic beginner type of shit that you guys could ever understand for trading. Like, it's going to be from step 0 to step 100. You seen those videos where it's like level 1 crook to like level 100 mob boss. That's his shit. This shit. It'd be like, hey, Tony. Level 1 crook, you got to turn into, hey, Tony. Come on. But yeah, boys, yeah, that was a trade recap. Make sure to drop a like if you fuck with the video. If you didn't fuck with the video, then I guess don't ever pop up ever again. I don't want to see you here anyways. But if you fuck with it, then drop a like, subscribe, drop comments on what you guys want to see next. And make sure to follow the socials. Follow the IG, follow the TikTok. It's the same handle, official EA Trading. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing a trade recap every single day, win or loss. And yeah, stay tuned for the boot camp. Peace out, boys.